Souso was awakened by a sudden scream. The human mother was terrified. The little girl ran to the kitchen, with Souso close behind. The mother was crying and pointing nervously. She had seen a gecko. The tiny creature had scared the entire family. The girl hid in her room, afraid to move, but Souso was ready for action. In the kitchen, Souso sniffed around, searching for the intruder. And there it was, the gecko darting under the cabinets. After several attempts, Souso pinned it with her paw. The gecko's tail split off, but Souso didn't give up. Finally, with swift reflexes, Souso caught the gecko for good. She proudly carried it to the girl's room, dropping the gecko inside a bin. The girl gasped, relieved and amazed. Souso had saved the family from their tiny fear. And there sat Souso, proud, calm and heroic, the brave Tuxedo cat, the family's true protector.